In today's video, we're going to install the Primo Villagio baby base seat. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. The seat comes with adjustable seat belts and seat balancing level. It is super easy, so stay tuned for the whole video. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you really quickly how to safely hook up any car seat to your vehicle. Now we are going to be using the center method. However, you can do this on the side as well. Every chair has a set of directions on the chair itself. And on the base, this is the Perego Primo Villagio 435 lounge chair. This one essentially has these clips here. Now every car, whether you know it or not, has these little clips here. This is specifically created for car seats. So this works like a regular car seat. You just press this and pull it and it will come out. Now again, right here you can see this metal piece that is welded into the frame of the car, and it is on both sides. And then the car seat itself is also going to have these, right, like that. So then this basically just pulls up and then it locks in place like so. You don't have to push a lot. There you go. You're gonna hear it click, boom, done. Now of course you do obviously need to make sure that this is not flying around. So to do that, you will essentially just push this button and you're gonna pull this. Now they did give you this little loop here that you can use to put like a metal bar or grab it and then tug it. So you will need two people. Press this, tug it as far as you can, and then this will barely move. That's when you know you are good. Now, in case you guys know, most of the car seats support kids up to about 35 pounds, 32 inches or less, but you are gonna have to obviously check with your standard instructions. So let's go and take this out on both sides. Right, and now let's go and lift this. There's a little lever here you lift, so this is the seat. Now, before you obviously put this in, you want to lift this. This will snap out, and then this is where the seatbelt goes through, right? So you can tug this way or that way, right? Giving yourself a little more slack, and then this will essentially just tighten this whole thing up. This is going to adjust the angle of the seat, so you can play with that. Again, you always want to make a look for that. This is BMW also has these. They are hidden under these little plasticky things here, but they're right in there, just as they would be on any other vehicle. We're going to take this and then we're going to clip this into there on one side. We're good. And now we're going to go here. All right, so that is a click, but you can see still moving a little bit. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to, like I said, press this button right here, and then we're going to have to tug on that. All right, so the seat's in place, as you can see, barely moving, but you're gonna see that in this vehicle, the seat is a little different. So we need to make sure that this kind of gets centered, and to do that, we're just turning this way until this becomes a little dot around. So that's how to hook up any car seat to your vehicle. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.